Hello guys, hello and welcome. I'm live with another video, and in today's video I'll talk about the VLOOKUP, right? So I have two tables, as you can see. The one is this reference product store and something. Let's delete this column, it's not look good. So yes, we have the product one, store, column, profit, district and region. And what I want to put here, I want to put again the store A. I want to put the regions from this another table. So what I will do, I will just click on this VLOOKUP, click tab, and what I want to match, I want to match this store A. So I'll take the index of this, and from where I want to match is from this another table. Here's a table which is called the lookup table. You're just simply gonna select the whole table, comma, and what you want to pick. So I want to pick the region, so I'll give the index column 1, column 2 and column 3. So what I want to pick in the region column is region name. So I'll put the index 3, and there is another value of the VLOOKUP which is exact match or approximate match, as you can see over here. So I want exact match, so I'll select this, tab, close, enter. So now you can see the A is north, here is A, there should be north. So what I will do, if I drag it like this, it will not give me the right answer. So what I will do here, I'll just click lock the values, pressing F4, as you can see. So I enter the VLOOKUP, and now I can select and I can track the value, and it will bring the whole regions. So again, as you can see, this is the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP V2 is the store. This is the table array from H3 to HJ8, right? So yes, and this is the index what I want to pick. If I want to, I change the index from change here, like if I want to pick district, or if I want to pick the store lookup, so I can bring this whole against this, against this, but I don't want to do this. I want to pick the region, so I'll take the index 3 and this, so it's not again because it's locked, so it will like this. Thank you for watching. VLOOKUP is very important part of the Excel.